Hello, I'm Rosemary. If you're interested in project management, productivity, business transformation, and how to leverage technology to improve your business processes and life, then you're in the right place. Today, we'll be talking about AI avatars, their use cases, and how you can create one yourself. If you hadn't noticed, I am an AI-generated avatar and I was created in D-ID. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click the bell notification icon. Here's Onem to tell you more.
Thank you, Rosemary, for that introduction. If you didn't know already, my name is Onem and I'm your project management buddy. Today, we're going to be talking about using or leveraging AI avatars for your business. There are three use cases I want to talk about today that you can use AI avatars for. The first is for marketing. So if you're into sales and marketing, you can use AI avatars to sell or market or advertise products and services for your clients or for yourself if you run a digital agency or if you're a freelancer. The second use case for it is how-to videos, or what people call explainer videos. If you're into the technical world and you want to explain step by step how people can use a particular software or product, then AI avatars is the way to go. You're able to use AI avatars to do that as well. The third use case is for HR, learning and development, and the like, to make training videos. So training videos will help to, if you're a cost content creator, you're able to use AI avatars to explain complex terms and make it pretty simple and easy. It's also especially good if you're maybe too shy to appear in front of the camera. You can use AI avatars to teach people about an idea or skill that you have without having to be in front of a camera. So those are three use cases I'm talking about. Now that we're done with that, let's look at three advantages of using AI avatars. AI avatars make it cost effective for you to run your business. Usually when you want to do professional videos, you have to get actors, you have to pay them, you have to pay for studio time, you have to do narration after that and post editing as well. We know that all these steps can take tens of thousands of dollars, but with AI avatars, all you need to do is create a script and use your AI avatars, and you're able to save a ton of money, sometimes up to 50%. Another good thing about it is that you save time. So the time that you would have utilized to create all these professional videos from the beginning, you can spend a few minutes or maybe just an hour online, and you're able to create AI avatars that really convey the messaging that you want to pass across. The third advantage is that you can bring up or create quality material that you wouldn't otherwise have the budget for. So AI avatars will give the advantage of creating this quality content in a way and manner that makes it seem as if you spent a lot of money on your videos. So now that we've talked about the three use cases and we've talked about the advantages of using AI avatars, let's go into the two major players that I consider right now in the industry if you want to do video production with AI avatars. The first is Synthesia and the second is D-ID. I actually use D-ID to create Rosemary, and it's a simple process that I'll walk you through. So if you're interested in learning that, and if you've come to this point of the video, I'm sure that you're finding something interesting. So please like, subscribe, and comment. Don't forget the bell notification to let me know that you're enjoying the content and I should put out content that is similar to this. So if you're ready, let's go. The first app we're going to be talking about is Synthesia. To access Synthesia, you go to their website on synthesia.io and you arrive on the homepage of Synthesia that you can see right now. Some of the features of Synthesia, you have 140 diverse AI avatars, 120 plus languages and accents, and you have 60 plus pre-designed templates that you can use for your own work. You also have the opportunity to create custom AI avatars, meaning you can use your picture or the picture of someone else to create a custom AI that you can use for your own videos. As we said before, most of the use cases for AI avatars are for learning and development in creating training videos, for sales training, for marketing and sales, for technical training in IT departments, For HR and customer service, if you want to do onboarding or you want to teach or tell new staff or old employees about something new that is coming to the organization, such as a new software or something that they need to do in order to satisfy a particular module or the like. You can also use it for marketing and sales. So explain to people how to use your products or service. So there are a lot of use cases for AI avatars that you can take advantage of. In Synthesia, the pricing is structured in such a way that there's no free trial or a starter plan. You get a personal plan at 2250 USD per month, which is billed $270 a year because you get a 25% discount. That gives you one seat, 10 video credits a month, 10 scenes, 90 plus AI avatars, 120 plus languages and voices, AI script, a built-in screen recorder, just like we use as content creators, and you can upload your own images, videos, and music. So that's something that you can get with Synthesia. To go for the enterprise plan, you get more, but you have to call them to speak with them about all these other options that are available and all the good stuff that they offer. The reason that I like Synthesia is because their AI avatars seem very lifelike. So you have an array of AI avatars that are from different cultures, different religion, different professions. So if your content is targeted at a diverse audience, then Synthesia is a very good option to go for. The only disadvantage I find with Synthesia is the fact that there's no trial option, because for most software, I'd like the opportunity for people to try it out to see if they like it before they make an investment. So that's the only downside I find for Synthesia. But if you're looking at the quality of the AI avatars and how real they look, then Synthesia should be a choice for that as well. I'm not going to do a demo today for Synthesia, but the next one we're going to talk about is D-ID, and I'll do a demo for that one. I will go step by step to know how to create an avatar for yourself. If you're interested in Synthesia, as I said, the website is synthesia.io. If you're interested in D-ID, which is the second option to create AI avatars, the website is d-id.com. This is what the website looks like. You can try it free, so you have a free trial, which is something that I feel like is an advantage over Synthesia. So what you can do is upload your photo, add text, choose your language and voice, and that's basically how to get your AI avatar as well. It's similar in terms of the features that they make available. So you also get a lot of characters and a diverse AI avatar selection, and you use it for the same use cases. For D-ID, if you haven't signed up before, you can go ahead to click on login, and it gives you the opportunity to be a guest. With the guest account, you don't have credits yet, and you need the credits to be able to download a video. So you can create a video, but you need credits in order to download the video. So in order to be a member or to sign up for an account, the free trial account, you can log in or sign up here, and you can put in your billing information here. So as you see, this is a guest plan at this time. If I want to have more features, I can go ahead to upgrade, and I have gone ahead to create an account with D-ID. But if you haven't before, you can go ahead to log in or sign up. As we said, for me, I'm going to go ahead to log in. After you log into D-ID, you can see your account name on the left lower corner and how many credits you have left. These credits are available to you for a limited time. And if you want to go ahead to use D-ID, you have to upgrade. You see options here on the left pane to create a video. You have a video library where if you've created a video before, You can see all your videos on this particular dashboard. You have API documents for those who want to take a look at that. If you want access to support, you have to click on this button, and then pricing information for D-ID is here. Let's go ahead to look at the pricing information before we go ahead to create a video. For pricing for D-ID, you can start with a trial, which is $0 for 14 days, like we said. They're going to give you about 20 credits to start with. So you can select that plan. The only thing is, if you create your videos or if you download your videos, they will have the watermark attached to it. You have access to premium and standard presenters, about 15 of them, and you get AI script generation and API access as well. It goes all the way to the enterprise plan where you have to call them to get a custom watermark. So that's what you get with D-ID. So back to where we want to create our videos. For you to be able to start creating the video, you click on create video either on this side of the screen where you have the plus sign, or you check this button here, you click on this button where it says create video. Let's go ahead to do that. It brings us to this particular interface. You have the options to discard the video if you don't want to do it anymore. And you have the option to also name your video. Let's go ahead to say AI avatar tutorial. That's going to be our video name for today. After that, you can go ahead to select a presenter. As I said before, there's an array of presenters that are available. They're of different races, and you can go ahead to choose whichever one you want. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'll go ahead to choose the one I used for the video, which is this particular avatar or character, and I named her Rosemary after a friend of mine. If you don't want to use a character from the selection they have available here, you can go ahead to add a picture of yourself or someone else similar to what is available on Synthesia. In order to do that, you have to follow the photo requirements to get an optimized result. So the picture has to be front facing, have a neutral expression with a closed mouth. It has to have a minimal head size within the image of 200 by 200 pixels. It has to have a good and solid lighting to the dark pictures, and it has to be a size of up to 10 megabytes. It also doesn't need to have any face occlusions. If you go ahead to upload the image you want, it will appear as part of these avatars available for you to use. If you don't want to go with that option, you can also generate an AI presenter from the different ones that they have here, or you can go ahead to create yours using the prompt that is here. So this particular prompt can be a portrait of anything, and then you generate. The reason I usually want to go with one of these or use mine is because it just works better from what I've seen so far. After you've made your choice from the different presenters that they have available here, the next thing you have to do is decide what script you want the avatar to speak on. There are two options available. You can decide to type a script in this particular box over here, or you can decide to upload your own voice, an audio that you have pre recorded, and you want it to be what your avatar is going to say. If you want to record or if you want to do a voice recording, you can contact them as well, and it is part of the enterprise plan. So for this tutorial, we're going to be doing a script. So let's say, hello, my name is Rosemary. I'm your instructor for today. We'll be talking about project management, productivity, and how to leverage technology. So you see here that because I'm on a free plan or free trial that has only 19 credits, I get a 20 word limit. So my 20 word preview limit has been exceeded. If I need more or if I want to get a full script, I have to upgrade to do that. But we're okay with what we have now. So let's just productivity and technology. Let's do that. So let's stop there. So, but you see here that I have the option of more letters to put in if I'm in a paid plan. So we have this script that we've put here already. In order to determine how our avatar is going to sound, we have to choose the language we want her to speak in. We have to choose the voice. So, do we want a voice of Jenny, Aria, Amber, Anna? You have the opportunity to choose whichever voices you like. What tone do you want the avatar to speak in? So, do you want them to sound like a chatbot? Do you want them to sound like they're doing a newscast? Or do you want them to sound cheerful or sad or angry? So let's go ahead to try it and hear what it sounds like. So let's choose whispering, for instance. I'm keeping it at the default of English United States. I've chosen Jenny. I'm keeping that with the default as well. And then let's go ahead to listen what this particular script sounds like. So you use this button over here to do so.
Hello, my name is Rosemary. I'm your instructor for today. We'll be talking about project management, productivity, and technology.
Awesome. So you see what she sounds like. That particular style, because you've chosen whispering, it's going to whisper. Rosemary is going to whisper. In this case, we can change it to friendly and see the difference. Let's listen.
Hello, my name is Rosemary. I'm your instructor for today. We'll be talking about project management, productivity, and technology.
Awesome. So you see, she sounds a little bit different because you've chosen something that is a little bit more upbeat. So in this case, we're going to leave it at that because we like Rosemary being a lot more friendly. Something else I wanted to point out is if you need a pause or a break in the conversation or the speech, you can use this particular clock to put a zero point 0.5 second break in whatever Rosemary is going to be saying. So in this case, let's put the clock after I'm your instructor for today. So I'm just going to put 1, 2, 3. Let's see. Oh, there's a limit, so let me stay with 2. Here we go. So let's see what that sounds like.
Hello, my name is Rosemary. I'm your instructor for today. We'll be talking about project management, productivity, and technology.
So when you listen to that, you can see that there's a pause just after today before she says we'll be talking about project management. The pauses are important when you want your avatar to sound a little bit slower and want them to convey the message in a way that makes it easy for everyone to understand. So that's what this particular button is for. The next button is the AI Write button. This particular button gives you an opportunity to allow AI fill in more information about your script. If you're a little bit lost about how to continue the script, you can give it a few sentences as a prompt, and AI will go ahead to fill in using what you've written before as a basis. So let's go ahead to try that and see what it gives us. So it's gone ahead to write a few things. So I just gave it an extra prompt of what is project management. And it went ahead to say a project is a planned effort undertaken to achieve a specific goal. The goal may be to build a product, to create a new system, or to complete a task. The project manager is responsible for ensuring that the project is completed on time, within budget, and to the required standard. So you see that it has gone ahead to create that particular script for us based on the prompt that was given to it before. So if you're doing a presentation and you want AI to complete it for you. Of course, it has to be part of a paid plan because we have a 20-word limit. So you go ahead to use that AI write button. As I said before, you can go ahead to choose whichever presenter you like. So this can be the presenter we use rather than the other one, and it will still be the same voice, it's just a different face. So let's go ahead to clean this up before we download. When we're satisfied with everything we've chosen, so we're satisfied with the avatar that we've chosen, we're satisfied with the script that we've written, we'll go ahead to generate the video. We can do so using this button on the top right hand corner. Let's go ahead to do that. It's going to calculate how much credit we're going to use for this particular video. It's going to be 1 credit. It will tell you what the video length is, 11 seconds. It will give you the title of your video. In this case, we made it AI avatar tutorial, and it's going to tell you how much credits you have left, which is 19 credits. So you know how many credits you need for this particular video. You can see the watermark right here because we're on a free plan or a trial plan. So you have that watermark until the enterprise plan. So you go ahead to generate. And this particular video will appear in your video library. You can then download it to use it for whatever you want to use it for. I'm going to show you an example of what you can use this particular video for. In this case, I'm just waiting for the video to be generated. Now it says we've successfully generated our video and we have it right here. So let's take a listen to make sure that it's the same thing that we created.
Hello, my name is Rosemary. I'm your instructor for today. We'll be talking about project management, productivity, and technology.
There you go. Yay! So we have Rosemary created, and we've just successfully created a 10-second video. Give yourself a round of applause. So you have different options available. You can download it, as we said. You can share it. So you can share it to Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter. You can copy a shareable link that you can send to a colleague or a client. You can post it on LinkedIn or email it to someone. If you're not satisfied with how it is, you can delete it. And that's that. Well, I'll meet you in a few seconds to show you exactly what to do with this particular avatar. After we've downloaded the avatar we've created onto our computer, there are different uses that you can utilize this avatar for. I'm just going to talk about one of them. On my screen, I'm actually in Canva. Canva is a design app that you can use to create different things for your business. It can be social media posts, it can be YouTube videos, it can be ads or print media, a lot of things. And I'm going to do a tutorial in the future for Canva. If that's something you want, please mention in the comment section and tell me that that's something you might want me to talk about, and I'll go ahead to do so. I'm not going to go through a lot. I'm just going to explain how I used what we downloaded and created. So in this case, I've gone ahead to download Rosemary, as you can see on the left-hand side of my screen where my cursor is navigating on. And this is sort of a grant proposal training of a presentation that is being created. So what I can do is, if I want to use Rosemary here, first of all, let me go ahead to delete this. So I delete just the video. I have a photo or video frame here. I can put in a photo or a video for this particular template. I'm just going to drag and drop Rosemary into that particular template and give it some
My
time.
name is Rosemary. I'm your instructor
Let's play that again
for today. We'll be talking about project management, productivity, and technology.
So this could be anything. I'm just going to drag and drop Rosemary into that particular spot and play it.
Hello, my name is Rosemary. I'm your instructor for today. We'll be talking about project management, productivity, and technology.
Voila, that's it. So for this particular grant proposal training, Rosemary could have been saying anything that you had put into your script space when you were creating the avatar at the beginning. So that this is just one of the thousands of use cases you can use AI avatar for. So hopefully you can create yours, try it out, and let me know how it goes. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you learned something new. So today we learned about AI avatars. If you're stuck in your business and you feel like technology can help you, you can reach out by email or message me and we can do a one-on-one to sort of untangle whatever it is that your business is going through. If you have an idea as well that you're very confused about getting it to the product stage, and you want a one-on-one to get your idea from idea to product, we can also do a one-on-one as well. Just send me an email and we're able to do that as well. If you like this content, please like, subscribe, comment, and follow us, and we'll be able to, bring weekly videos about project management, technology, and productivity to get you to do your business in a way that saves you cost, saves you time, and makes sure that your processes are standardized. So see you soon. Ciao.